According to a new survey, many of us would rather be honest about our age than our shopping habits. Here's Michelle Morrison.
Eileen and Brian have been together for 25 years, but does he really know her spending habits? Brian, how much money does your wife spend on shopping every month?
£100.
And the answer?
If we average it out, probably about 500 a month.
My goodness gracious.
Well, come on, it's probably not that much of a surprise since one recent survey found 1 in 7 people lie to their other half about exactly how much they spend. In fact, a third of Brits would rather reveal their age than admit how much they spent. Women are more likely to lie about it than men, not surprising since another survey's found working mums view shopping as a guilty pleasure. What do you do?
Pretend that I already had it, that it's old.
I'll buy something and put it in my bag, or I'll keep it in my car. No, genuinely I'm quite an honest person, but I can understand how a lot of women would lie about their purchases. Yeah.
Are you just saying this because your partner's here?
Maybe.
So perhaps now it's time to tell the truth about our shopping deception. Michelle Morrison, Good Morning Britain.
Oh, and funnily enough, this seems to be ringing bells with quite a lot of people, actually. Lots of you getting in touch about it today, haven't they?
Sam suggests just say it was in the sale, darling. I'd have been silly not to get it.
That's a good one, isn't it? It's familiar, isn't it? Hayley says, I'm a secret spender on baby slings and cloth nappies. I have a collection worth over £600 and my baby's father hasn't a clue how much I've spent. He does now, doesn't he?
You get an awful lot of baby paraphernalia, don't you?
£600 you do?
Oh, the wife got this silly thing that you're supposed to wear around your hip. What was it called? Hippie kid or something like that, and you balance the baby on your hip as you walk around. Like, your arm works as well, for heaven's sake, and that's free. Another Sam has got in touch with us. Best thing to do, and this is wise words, stay single. There's no one to answer to then.
Spend what you like in that case. Keep those comments coming in this morning. Get in touch through Facebook, Twitter, or by email. We look forward to hearing from you.